Understanding the eviction process in Ontario. Step 1. Understand the legal grounds for eviction. Before you begin the eviction process in Ontario, it's crucial to understand the legal grounds for eviction. These can include non-payment of rent, consistent late payments causing significant damage to the property, illegal activities conducted on the premises, or violating terms of the lease agreement. Familiarizing yourself with these grounds ensures that you have a legitimate reason for eviction, which is necessary for legal proceedings. At JDN Property Management, we help you navigate these legalities to ensure compliance with Ontario's tenancy laws. Step 2. Provide a proper eviction notice. Once you have established the grounds for eviction, the next step is to serve the tenant with an official eviction notice. In Ontario, this notice must be in writing and should clearly state the reason for eviction and the date by which the tenant must vacate the property. Different types of notices apply depending on the situation, such as a notice to end a tenancy early for non-payment of rent, N4, or a notice to end a tenancy for causing serious problems in the rental unit or residential complex, N5. JDN Property Management can assist you in drafting and delivering these notices correctly to avoid any delays or legal issues. Step 3. File an application with the Landlord and Tenant Board, LTB. If the tenant does not comply with the eviction notice, the next step is to file an application with the Landlord and Tenant Board, LTB. This application must include a copy of the eviction notice and any relevant documentation that supports your case. The LTB will then schedule a hearing where both parties can present their arguments. Proper preparation is key to a successful outcome, and JDN Property Management provides comprehensive support to gather necessary evidence and prepare your case effectively. Step 4. Attend the LTB hearing. During the LTB hearing, both the landlord and tenant will have the opportunity to present their case. It is essential to be well prepared with all necessary documents and evidence organized and ready for presentation. The LTB will consider the facts and make a decision based on the information provided. JDN Property Management offers experienced representation at these hearings to ensure your interests are adequately represented and to increase the likelihood of a favorable ruling. Step 5. Obtain an eviction order. If the LTB rules in your favor, they will issue an eviction order specifying the date by which the tenant must vacate the property. This order is legally binding and the tenant is required to comply. In the event that the tenant does not leave by the specified date, you may need to seek enforcement through the sheriff's office. JDN Property Management assists you through this final stage, ensuring that the eviction order is enforced efficiently and lawfully. Step 6. Enforce an eviction order if necessary. If the tenant refuses to vacate the property, even after the LTB has issued an eviction order, you must contact the local sheriff's office to enforce the order. The sheriff will serve the tenant with a notice and, if necessary, physically remove them from the property. This step can be stressful and requires strict adherence to legal procedures. JDN Property Management ensures that this process is handled professionally and legally, minimizing stress and ensuring a smooth transition. Contact JDN Property Management. Evicting a tenant in Ontario requires a thorough understanding of the legal process and adherence to specific protocols. By following the correct steps, issuing the appropriate eviction notice, and engaging with the LTB when necessary, you can manage the eviction process effectively and legally. For professional assistance and to ensure a smooth eviction process, contact JDN Property Management today. Our experienced team is here to help you navigate the complexities of tenant evictions and other property management needs. Contact us today by phone at 519-951-7226 or visit us online at jdnproperties.com.